Hello, dear listeners, and welcome to today's story. Our topic is school days, happy days. School life is one of the most wonderful times of our journey. It is full of laughter, friendship, play, and learning. In school, we discover knowledge, meet true friends, and create memories that stay in our hearts forever. Every bell, every classroom, and every smile makes school a second home for us. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this story about the happiness of school days and why they remain some of the brightest moments in our lives. School is not only about books and lessons, but also about laughter, friendship, and unforgettable memories. Let us take a journey back to those golden days and remember why school life is truly the happiest time. School life is one of the most beautiful times of our lives. It is a place where we not only learn about books, numbers, and science, but also about friendship, kindness, and happiness. When we think about school, we remember the laughter with friends, the games on the playground, and the lessons from our teachers. School days are full of joy, small adventures, and sweet memories. In this story, we will talk about what makes school so special. We will remember the classrooms, the teachers, the friends, and all the little moments that make school days the happiest days. A school day often begins in the morning with the sound of the school bell. Students walk through the gate, some with sleepy eyes, some with excited smiles. The air is full of energy. The classrooms are waiting, clean and ready, with the blackboard shining and the desks neatly arranged. Children greet their friends. Good morning. They laugh, they share stories from yesterday, or they talk about their homework. Some are nervous because of a test. Others are excited because they will play football later. The morning assembly or greeting time is special. The national anthem, a prayer, or a short message from the teacher starts the day. Everyone feels connected. It is the beginning of learning, growing, and enjoying the new day. One of the most important parts of school is the classroom. This is where knowledge grows. Teachers explain lessons with patience and care. Math, science, language, and history, all these subjects open doors to the world. Sometimes the lessons are easy, sometimes they are difficult. But teachers always encourage us. They say, "Don't give up, keep trying," and slowly we understand. A good teacher is like a guide. They not only teach from books, but also teach values, honesty, kindness, respect, and hard work. Many students remember their teachers for life. Even years later, we can still hear their voices in our minds. Study well, be kind, and you will succeed. Learning with teachers makes school days meaningful and full of happy lessons. Friendship is the heart of school life. Friends make every day brighter. They sit with us in class, share food during lunch, and laugh with us during breaks. Sometimes we make friends on the first day. Sometimes friendships take time to grow. But once they do, they last a lifetime. True friends stand beside us during exams, during games, and even when we feel sad. Think about the times when a friend explained a difficult lesson, or when they shared their pen or notebook. Think about the moments of laughter when the teacher told a funny story, or when the whole class celebrated someone's birthday. These moments are treasures. Even small fights between friends don't last long. After a while, one says sorry, the other forgives, and the friendship becomes even stronger. School friends are special because they grow with us. They know our secrets, our dreams, and our fears. These friendships are the foundation of many happy memories. Truly, friends make school days the happiest days. School is not only about books and lessons, it is also about fun, play, and creativity. Break time and sports periods are often the happiest moments of the day. Children run to the playground. Some play football, some play basketball, and others jump rope or play tag. The air is full of laughter and energy. These games teach teamwork, sharing, and sportsmanship. Winning is fun, but learning to lose with a smile is also an important lesson. Schools also have cultural programs, art competitions, and music classes. Students sing songs, paint pictures, and perform plays. These activities allow creativity to shine. A shy student may suddenly become a hero on stage. A quiet child may surprise everyone with a beautiful drawing. Celebrations like Teacher's Day, Sports Day, or Annual Day make school life colorful. Students prepare dances, songs, and speeches. The stage lights, the cheering audience, and the claps from teachers and parents create unforgettable moments. These activities make school a place not only of study but also of happiness and discovery. Every student has small adventures at school. Sometimes it is forgetting homework and quickly finishing it during the break. Sometimes it is secretly eating snacks in class. Sometimes it is passing small notes to friends when the teacher is not looking. There are also surprises, like when the teacher suddenly announces a free period, or when rain starts during recess and children dance under the umbrella. School trips and picnics are another kind of adventure. Students travel together, visit museums, parks, or historical places. The bus rides are full of songs and jokes. Eating lunch together in the open air makes everyone feel free and happy. Exams and results are also part of the adventure. Even though exams bring stress, they also bring joy when we do well. The happiness of scoring good marks or improving in a subject is unforgettable. All these little adventures become stories we tell again and again. When we grow older, these stories make us laugh and remind us how special our school days were. As the day comes to an end, the bell rings again. Students pack their bags and say goodbye to their teachers and friends. The school that was full of noise suddenly becomes quiet. Children walk home, some slowly, some quickly, but all carrying memories of the day. Maybe they are excited about tomorrow's game. Maybe they are thinking about today's lesson. Maybe they are just happy about the laughter they shared with friends. The walk home is filled with chatter. See you tomorrow. Don't forget the homework. Let's play again in the morning. The end of the day is not really an end. It is a promise of another happy day at school. School days are truly happy days. They are filled with learning, friendship, play, creativity, and small adventures. They are the foundation of who we become in life. When we are young, we sometimes complain about homework, exams, or strict teachers. But later, when we look back, we realize those were the most beautiful days. The friends we made, the lessons we learned, the laughter we shared, all of them stay in our hearts forever. School is not only a place of study, it is a place of life. It teaches us how to dream, how to work hard, how to be kind, and how to be happy. So let us always remember, school days are happy days. They are golden days. They are the days that shape our lives. Thank you for listening to this story. I hope it reminds you of your own school memories and brings a smile to your face. Thank you so much for joining me today and listening to our story, School Days, Happy Days. I hope it brought back some sweet memories of your own school life, the classrooms, the friends, the teachers, and the laughter. School days are truly golden days, filled with lessons and happiness that stay with us forever. If you enjoyed this story, please share it with your friends and let them also remember the joy of school life. Until next time, keep smiling, keep learning, and keep those school memories alive in your heart. See you again soon.